What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a clean rear quarter. Let's see.
Clean rear quarter?
Well, because mine had spider cracking on it.
Dude, no way you're gonna remove the rear quarter on this thing.
No, I'm not.
That's a lot of
You're right.
little spot welds.
Right there.
Poor
right
little
here.
Miata. What's
The hood's
inside?
okay. Look at the hood.
Oh,
Does
some
anybody
of
need
these
a hood?
controls are still good.
Oh,
Well, the hood's good, but they took out everything.
What a gauge
Whoa. Oh, they have the harness right there.
yeah.
That's not
Or a
bad.
headlight motor.
Oh,
motor's good.
those are spendy.
Nowadays,
You
I
took
had to
the
buy
bucket?
a used one.
Oh, you did? Look, he
Yeah.
repainted this.
It's pretty clean.
It was actually quite nice.
Is this green? Oh no,
Gauge
it's the
cluster?
blue. Gauge cluster's clean.
Only 198,000 miles.
It's not too bad.
Steering rack. If you want to do a steering rack conversion to manual.
Yeah.
That's a
And
spare.
Here's the whole column right here. Grab that.
Yeah, you could. Dang, what happened to this thing? Looks like it's just junked. What do you need?
It's more so just looking to see if there's anything salvageable, but I don't think these door cards are very, yeah, I don't know about that.
Eyeballs are
Ooh,
all right.
How about a center console? This
Oh,
is
these-
actually clean.
These eyeballs are good.
This is clean. Just needs to be like wiped down.
That looks
Just needs to be
decent.
wiped down.
That looks decent.
Bolts.
Sorry, folks, we're in the hood. That's why you have the ghetto bird up above. Headlight bucket.
One man's trash is another man's possible treasure. I don't know about this though. Ooh, look at that.
Stock.
That's clean.
Oh, it's actually pretty decent.
Yeah.
What else is back here?
This goes underneath the dash. This metal.
Isn't
cover.
yours broken?
No, mine's not broken. This is metal.
Oh, you have like broken clips. What about here? Oh, this has
Valve
mud
cover.
guards. Whatever mud guards that is. I've never seen that mud guard before.
Nice.
That dude is hauling ass, man.
Need a fuel pump?
What about the mud guards, Lauren? Those are kind of cool.
Those aren't bad. I don't know if I'd use them though. Does solenoid of a sort?
It's like an idle air.
Manifold?
Stock
1/6
Manny.
manifold?
Dude, the more I look at this, the more I'm thinking someone painted this and kind of just gave up. Because look, why would the harnesses be wrapped? No one wraps the harnesses here at the junkyard.
It's true.
Damn, that's sad, huh?
This was a project.
It was a project car and someone just gave up on it.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah,
This
seriously.
cluster's clean though.
Yeah, put that inside so it doesn't get dirty.
Right.
Someone's gonna want one of those.
If you need a cluster, come to Anaheim.
Anaheim.
I'm gonna put it back in here for someone.